Breakfast. The first meal of the day, eaten in the morning. Example, I like to start my day with a healthy breakfast of oatmeal and fruits. Brunch. A meal that combines breakfast and lunch, eaten late in the morning and early afternoon. Example, we had a lovely brunch at the cafe on Sunday. Elevenses. A light snack or meal in the mid-morning, often paired with tea or coffee. Example, we gathered in the office lounge for elevenses, enjoying a cup of tea and some freshly baked scones. Lunch. The midday meal, often lighter than dinner. Example, I usually have a sandwich and salad for lunch at work. Tiffin. A light meal or snack, common in South Asia. Example, the delivery boy brought my tiffin with rice and curry. Snack. A small portion of food eaten between meals. Example, I keep some nuts in my bag for a quick snack. Afternoon tea. A light snack often accompanied by tea, typically in the afternoon. Example, at 4 o'clock he comes back for his tea. High tea. A hearty British evening meal with tea, meat, bread, and dessert. Example, we had high tea with a selection of finger sandwiches and cakes. Dinner. The main meal of the day, eaten in the evening or late afternoon. Example, we're hosting a family dinner this weekend. Supper. A light meal eaten later than dinner. Example, after the show, we had a supper of soup and bread. Midnight snack. A light meal or snack eaten late at night, often before bed. Example, I had a midnight snack of crackers and cheese while studying. Occasional or formal meals. Luncheon. A formal or semi-formal midday meal for business or special events. Example, the luncheon was hosted for charity donors. Feast. A large and elaborate meal, typically for celebrations. Example, the wedding feast had a variety of international dishes. Banquet. A formal ceremonial meal with multiple courses, often in honor of a person. Example, the banquet was organized for the award ceremony. Potluck. A communal meal where each guest brings a dish to share. Example, we had a potluck with homemade dishes from every family. Picnic. A meal eaten outdoors during leisure activities. Example, we will eat sandwiches at the picnic. Barbecue. A meal cooked outdoors, often involving grilled meat and vegetables. Example, we barbecue often during the summer. Buffet. A meal where guests serve themselves from a variety of dishes. Example, the hotel served a breakfast buffet with endless options. Supper club. A social gathering featuring a shared meal, often hosted privately. Example, the supper club menu was a mix of Italian and French cuisines. Appetizer. A small dish of food or a drink taken before a meal. Example, we ordered spring rolls as appetizers. Dessert. A sweet course that served after lunch or dinner. Example, we had ice cream for dessert. Brinner. A meal where breakfast foods are eaten for dinner. Example, pancakes and bacon made a great Brinner.